everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. As you can see, I'm all dolled up. Let me tell you guys, this is not my work at all. So someone else has dolled me up like this, and you can see how beautiful that blending looks like. And oh my god, I absolutely love it. It seems like I'm going to a engagement party or something like that. It looks so sleek. Like, I look so different, right? If you like this look, do not forget to like this video as well. But before that, let me introduce the artist who's going to do this look for me. Barbie! So her name is Barbie and she's like a Barbie as well. Like, she's such a doll. And look how she dolled me up, guys.
She's already so pretty. I just wanted to do something different on her because she always does so glamorous and so creative kind of makeup looks right now. So I was like, kuch to different karna hai, and I came out with this. And
I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this video because we have also answered few of your questions as well. And also we did another video on her channel as well. I'll leave down her Instagram and her YouTube video in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. I'm not going to make this introduction too long because we have done Q&A and we have talked about each other's work, career, and what motivates us and all the
everything.
Yeah, everything.
Just stay tuned.
So stay tuned. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So my followers basically want to know about what you do, like what you study and all. Just give a small introduction about your education.
So basically, I am pursuing my English honors. Third year mein hu abhi. And I'm also like a makeup artist right now. Currently I'm doing freelancing. Makeup channel, like YouTube channel bhi hai jaisa tumhara hai. And I'm also there on Instagram. I post like videos and stuff. What about you?
Okay, so basically my followers don't know me. So basically I study law and I'm on my 4th year right now and I study at Kids School of Law. Agar Bhubaneswar mein hoge to pata hi hoga. Part-time influencer, beauty influencer you can say. A part-time to bol nahi sakte.
An amazing beauty influencer.
Thank you. Basically, like, makeup is my passion, of course. Like, I love doing makeup. I experiment with colors
looks
and
like.
all. Yeah, so that is it. Yeah, what's your age? I mean,
my age is right now 19 plus.
Okay, मतलब 19.
Yeah,
okay,
20
okay.
होने वाला है.
19 going 20. Okay.
Yeah.
So I am 21. Like, she's
I'll call her Didi.
1 year. She's 1 year junior to me.
She asked me to call her Didi.
No, I didn't.
कर रही हूँ ना, like usually I love doing this. एंड ये वाला ज़्यादा मैंने देखा लाइक ब्राज़ीलियन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट या बाहर के लोग ज़्यादा करते हैं. इंडियन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट ये वाला उतना ज़्यादा नहीं करते बिकॉज लोग यहाँ पे ज़्यादा क्या चाहते हैं ना, ज़्यादातर पीपल आर लाइक आई वांट नेचुरल.
सो बेसिकली आई डोंट नो कि वो क्या कर रही है. सो दिस इज शी विल सरप्राइज मी. ओके, आई डोंट इवन
हाउ डज शी लाइक.
applying the e.l.f. putty primer. This is a matte putty primer for the very first time. Like abhi receive hua and I was like, you know, just
try kar lete because I also wanted to try. Kaisa it feels like a thick balm.
Like dekhne se pata chala it's a balmy stuff texture. Okay.
Her skin is flawless, तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा.
ये pores है, dude.
I didn't find that.
So it did smoothen out my pores, I believe, and yeah, थोड़ा mattify कर ही दिया है, I guess. Yeah, it does mattify.
Mattify थोड़ा सा किया है.
What is your first assumptions like about me?
About you?
हाँ. लाइक आज ही हम मिले फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम एंड यू पीपल आर आस्किंग दैट फर्स्ट assumption क्या है. सो
अच्छा, मिलने के बाद फर्स्ट assumption
शी आल्सो टोल्ड मी कि उसका फर्स्ट assumption क्या है, बट आई विल टेल यू व्हाट.
मिली इससे लाइक आज when I entered, my first assumption was like, oh my god, she's so sweet. I never expected it. I thought कि नहीं 20,000 followers है, थोड़ा तो भाई एटीट्यूड होगा. I thought कि नहीं पता नहीं फेंकेगी या कुछ, बट उल्टा हुआ, कुछ नहीं. शी वॉज लाइक द स्वीट एंड सिंपल पर्सन जिसके साथ आई एम कंफर्टेबल विथ.
लाइक इंटरेस्ट मैच हो रहा है. लाइक एज वी आर टॉकिंग वी आर गेटिंग टू नो दैट
ऑलमोस्ट सेम
वी आर ऑलमोस्ट सेम. हाँ, तो मेरा फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन वही है. ओके, वो जो बोली इम्प्रेशन मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ अपना फर्स्ट assumption बोल रही हूँ, इम्प्रेशन बोल रही हूँ. नो, as soon as she entered she told me that I look prettier in real. तो मुझे लगा वो बोलेगी, बट ओके, that was maybe second third assumption. Down to earth. Okay,
you are down to earth. You're not like कि हाँ attitude लेके चलना है.
I was asking that how we met and everything. Okay.
We met online.
Yeah, it's.
And I have a little mustache. I have a little mustache.
We met online actually. We started talking by appreciating each other. मैंने उसको पहले से ही फॉलो करके रखा था. I thought कि भाई 20,000 फॉलोअर है, देखना ही नहीं है, घूम के क्यों देखेगी. But like she followed me back. It was like,
she was following me, I don't know, since a year I guess. I didn't find her on Instagram actually. I found her on YouTube basically. So जब टाइसी ने तुम्हारा वीडियो शेयर किया था ना, like you mentioned her about your YouTube channel, that you are reviewing her neon pigments. Yeah, so I just went to that particular video. I watched that video and I quickly subscribed you. Then I started watching all your videos and then I went to your Instagram and then I saw, oh, you follow me. I mean, रहता नहीं है ना, नाम याद नहीं रहता ना तुम्हारे followers का, ठीक है. तो
सबका थोड़ी ना नाम उतना याद रहता है.
Yeah, like who are regular and who regularly comment on my post, I know them, like पता चल जाता है. मैं पहले इंस्टाग्राम में उसको स्टॉक की, उसके वीडियोस देखी and then I was like, oh my god, she's so talented. Like I saw her cut crease videos and then like the creative that she does.
So much.
And then I got to know, oh my god, she's from Bhubaneswar. Then तो I couldn't stop watching her videos and all. Like the day I followed her, simultaneously she started posting her YouTube videos, like haul videos. Then like
she enjoys my hauls.
bomb content, like literally.
I also follow you like that, पूरा crazy.
Like इतना क्रिएटिव लाइक आई मेकअप करते हैं. शी इज सो अंडररेटेड. देन आई सॉ लाइक 150 क्या मतलब इसके लाइक्स आते हैं. लाइक शी डोंट डिजर्व दोज 10-50. लाइक आई नो शी इज वेरी ग्रेटफुल जो भी 50 लोग उसके लाइक करते हैं. बट गाइज, इफ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो राइट नाउ, मेक श्योर दैट यू फॉलो एंड वॉच योर वीडियोज.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Recent look उस पे लाइक करो एकदम डेफिनेटली. हर रिसेंट लुक इज लाइक सो बॉम्ब. आई एम लाइक लविंग इट लाइक एनीथिंग. मैंने उसको 4-5 बार तो देख ही लिया है. आई एम ऑलवेज लाइक क्लिकिंग ऑन इट एंड लाइक ओके, हाउ डिड शी डू इट, हाउ डिड शी ब्लेंड इट. ओके,
दैट इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट.
लाइक नो, व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू to like start blogging as a career, like makeup blogging, which is like so underrated in India?
So basically I was a child with so many extracurricular activities. I sing, I dance, I do everything. Makeup was kind of a part of that extracurricular activities. Like तुमको singing करना हो, dancing करना हो, तो makeup was very important. Okay, मैं music and dance वही करती थी, ठीक है. So that was the only thing which made me stand out in the audience. Still वो कमी होता था ना, तो I feel that at that phase of my life I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, okay, especially makeup videos, because those were very satisfying and all. I used to feel very satisfying watching all these YouTubers doing makeup videos and all, especially lipsticks. I had a fetish for lipstick. Like when my parents used to give me pocket money, ज़्यादा नहीं देते थे, like 100-200 ही देते थे.
उतना ही मिलता था
मंथली में.
अच्छा,
मंथली बोल रही हूँ. ओके, So they used to give me that much, and I used to keep it for like 2-3 months and then buy a lipstick for me. So I think उसी में देखते के when I started doing TikToks, okay, don't judge me, but yeah, वो भी थोड़ा self confidence देता था मुझे. तो I guess हाँ, कैमरा में अच्छे दिखने के लिए you have to make up, all right.
When you sit in front of the camera and like with no makeup, of course we are confident with our skin, but you know you want to look put together.
Yeah.
Always.
Phase में you need to make up and all. Everyone started asking me like, what is your makeup routine? What is your makeup routine?
Then हाँ.
तो
वीडियो देखो मेरा.
हाँ, तो मैं एक बार I posted my first ever makeup tutorial. And that literally hit about 40,000 views on Instagram.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, that was my first ever makeup tutorial, and I know कि I am very grateful for that कि एक वीडियो में मेरे 40K views आ गए, and I was like very happy, and I'm very grateful to that though. So it kind of motivated me to do more and more.
That's amazing. That sounds amazing. Like 40,000, मतलब उसका talent उसी में दिख रहा है.
Already made a video. I'll put the link in the description और I button में डाल दूँगी, so you guys should check that video out. I have talked about my journey, and also I've talked about how to start your blogging, collaboration and everything. बहुत सारी videos बनाई. You should definitely go and check it out. Okay, so there is a question like, what did you do against bullying in case you had?
Me?
हाँ.
Yeah, I was bullied a lot actually. In like Joseph, I used to study in Joseph, so my entire childhood was like bleh. I never enjoyed my school life that much because बहुत ही bullying मतलब like they used to bully. तो what I actually did was I was like this person कि मैं अकेली भी हूँ तो I am enough for myself. I don't need anyone. Of course, in the beginning I was like breaking down. I was like, Papa, Mama, where are you? Of course, हर बच्चे का होता है. I was like young at that time. But then I was like, you know, they are bullying me. And what I actually used to do is कि I was very confident about myself. Like, you know, मेरा like speaking and all अच्छा होता था तभी as compared to a lot of others. So I was like very confident about myself for that case. And my
you should
parents,
believe in yourself no matter what
yeah,
other people
of course.
say. You need to believe yourself first. Because if you won't believe yourself first, then I don't think that
anything is
possible.
Yeah. As I was like a very confident about myself, so I faced it. मतलब तभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा face करती थी. And after that, when I went to college, everyone started appreciating me so much. And then I started beauty blogging. Like not exactly as a proper career because अभी तक तो I just have a few followers. So I won't say.
Okay, yeah. So they also asked a question that. So they asked her, what's your long-term goal?
My long-term goal will be becoming a very successful makeup artist come beauty blogger. So that's actually my main goal. Okay. And apart from that, what I think is I'm thinking of pursuing my English honors. Of course, I'm doing my English honors. Maybe like will become a professor or something in that case.
फिलहाल तो I want to pass LLB. अभी भी LLB करी हूँ ना, तो first of all I want to graduate and get a good placement. Okay, because this is my 4th year. Just 1 year, and 1 year भी नहीं है. It's like half, like 1.5 years, and then I just have to sit for placement and all. I don't know. I feel like I still don't know anything. I'm just praying that I'll pass, hopefully, and I'll just get a good job. I don't know anything about it right now. Okay, so at what age did you had your first kiss? So I don't remember my age at that point of time. But I think the grade 8, class 8.
Achha, my first kiss will be when I was around 15 to 16 years old. My parents don't know about it. They'll kick me out.
9th, 10th, I think about 9th.
Yeah,
9th, 10th.
Mine also like that,
yeah.
9th, 10th. One question, like one of my followers asked me that who's going to get married first in between both of us? Maybe me.
Because मैं अभी जो कोर्स कर रही हूँ, it's like a 5 years course, and she is on a final year right now.
Like कितने साल बाद शादी करने का इरादा है?
Right now I am 21, so I guess 27
Same.
to 30.
Of course,
I don't
मेरा
think.
भी like 26, 27 में I'll get married.
Yeah, because right now I'm like, I think in my career 27 is the ideal career like point to get married.